followed my heart, and it led me to the bakery Bread Ahead. Located in the Mobility District, Bread Ahead is an incredibly fun experience which the whole family is sure to enjoy. Now let's see what Bread Ahead has to offer. Hello, today I'm with Chef Kyle.
Hello, welcome to Bread Ahead.
Thank you. I cannot wait to eat these donuts. Can you explain to me what flavors they are?
Okay, so you've got a small selection of our best-selling donuts. So you've actually got the cookies and cream. Your favourite. Black currant cheesecake. We've also got a really rich velvety chocolate and a vanilla cream as well. One of our best sellers. Okay.
I can't wait to try it. So which one would you suggest for me to have first?
I would recommend the cookies and cream.
Cookies and
nice
cream?
texture in there,
Yeah?
really good.
All right. Oh, look at that.
Nice and filled all the way to the brim. You can see the filling on the top.
I'm going to start with the filling on the top. All right. It's about to get messy.
It's got a really nice soft custard on there, mixed through with that crushed up cookie. Really beautiful combination.
Wow.
Too good for words.
I'm sorry, I'm just letting the flavor sink in because that crust is so soft and sugary. And I think there's sugar all over my lips right now.
It's the challenge is always the challenge is trying not to lick your lips once you've had a donut, of course. It's hard not to, but try not to.
I don't think I can abide by that challenge. I need to. I'm so tempted to lick my lips right now. And the filling with the cookies and cream, and you can feel it's like the flavor's not too strong, but it's there.
Yeah.
And that's just what makes the whole experience so like, wow.
A real explosion.
Exactly.
That's the best way.
No words to describe this right now.
Unless you make a mess, you're not eating a donut. That's all we can say.
My mom has the saying that messy eaters are happy eaters.
Exactly. And then with the true Bread Ahead donut, often when we're seeing people in London eating them or here, you see it explode.
Yeah.
Just that pop. Really nice.
Wow. Cookies and cream has been amazing so far. I'm just gonna like keep licking this filling. I mentioned to you, cookies and cream, my favorite.
Yep.
Donuts, my favorite. Those two collide, absolute
Perfect.
favorite. That's just perfect. All
And
right, which one do you suggest I should have next?
I would actually go for our bestseller, the vanilla custard.
Vanilla?
A really nice floral flavour with just a little bit of sweetness coming from the creme patissiere. Really nice flavour. That would be my next one.
This is hard to put down. I can't put it down, but let's head on for the bestseller. Now, while I munch this down, and I'd like to savor it, can you please talk me through, because Bread Ahead isn't just any ordinary bakery, but it holds its own workshops as well. So tell me more about that while I dive into this.
Fine. So actually we do lots of family baking workshops. So actually, baking, often the first memory of baking is always as a family, as a child, working with your nans or your grandparents. And actually what we like to do here at Bread Ahead is bring that back to life. We like people to come and join and essentially learn from the basics all the way up to the top, because with 4 simple ingredients, flour, salt, liquids and eggs, you can make really beautiful soft donuts, as you can see there, and that you're enjoying. And we run them about 10 times a week, so there's various workshops, and again the family can get involved. 6 years all the way up to adults, grandparents are really good to get involved.
That sounds really nice. I definitely have to head down there for actually creating my own donut, but I'll be honest with you, I don't think I will be able to last that whole time. I might even just like head out for the final product, because this tastes amazing. It's their sugary glaze with the filling for me. Look at my fingers.
What makes it so unique and what makes a true Bread Ahead donut is it's essentially a brioche bun. Okay, so it's a semi-brioche with a nice amount of butter actually in the dough, and it's an overnight process, and that allows the flavour to develop. So you have to wait a little bit of time for it, but it's worth every result.
That's right, it is worth every result, and I don't want to put this down. I want to take this home, and I just want to gobble it up with my little sister. Wow. So I've tried cookies and cream. I've tried vanilla. I would like to go on eating forever, but tell me, what is the last flavor you would suggest?
So I would actually go for the black currant cheesecake. I love chocolate, but black currant cheesecake, because you get that nice tartness, some savoury notes from the cheese in there. Really nice. It's a nice cheesecake base. That would be my next best one.
Would you mind if I lick my fingers?
Of course, lick your fingers. That's the best thing to do.
That is the best thing to do. I would definitely suggest you head down here to Bread Ahead Bakery, because you are going to have a whale of a time. And you know what? I'm going to keep on enjoying this, but the last advice I have for you, apart from actually coming here and eating these donuts, is Don't worry, be happy right here at Bread Ahead Bakery located in the Mowgli District.